6 o'clock. Welcome back to Cooking with the Skinny Guinea, where we do quick, healthier meals in 30 minutes or less. Tonight we are doing, it's chicken breast that's going to be stuffed with spinach and ricotta cheese. Now, I'm calling it Berserko chicken Hasselback because I'm getting rid of the cheddar and I'm getting rid of the paprika and I'm actually making some tomato sauce with it. So that's what we're doing tonight. It's called Berserko chicken Hasselback. So that's that. Hey, guinea pig. How you doing? You want to say hi? She must have had a rough night last night. She's got her eye patches on. Nice, good, man.
I want to know how many people have allergies. Anyone on here have allergies? I don't have allergies. I'm fighting it, but I think I might have allergies. We went for a walk. I must have had something on my hands. I'm itching, and now I'm like a big puffball.
There's 40-mile-an-hour winds out. It's blowing the pollen all over the place.
Yeah, but I needed my eye patches to help with the puffiness. So
you look beautiful, Annie.
Oh, thanks.
Anyway, baby. Now get out. Now get out. Now get out. All right, so guys, let's get to cooking. Okay, so here's what we got. So we got these like monster chicken breasts. I got one in the oven right now, like I said. I'm gonna make a side of asparagus. So I got some. I'm doing frozen. Doing frozen asparagus. I had that. Now, so the mixture that's gonna go inside the chicken is a mixture of spinach and ricotta cheese. Okay, so I got those two things here. I'm not doing the typical chicken Hasselback, where you top it with the cheddar and the paprika. So I'm doing a tomato sauce. All right, so I got a can of crushed tomatoes here. Make a little sauce. Got a little bit of basil, a little bit of pepper, a little bit of onion powder, and some salt. All right, so gonna do that up nice. So let me bring you over here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the sauce up first. I'm gonna get this pan up to make the sauce. And then we're gonna stuff the chicken with the mixture and all that good stuff. Season it with salt and pepper, and we'll see. You know, look, we're improvising here, you know? Like, okay, so now, got my garlic in here, throw my garlic in there. So now I'm gonna throw my tomatoes in. A little onion powder, a little pepper, got some basil, and I already measured out my salt, so I got my salt. Okay, kick this to a boil. The whole show, I'm the Skinny Guinea, right? I cook the meal, and then I give my wife, Michelle, aka the guinea pig, I give her a portion of the meal so she can taste it, and then she rates me on the meal. She gives me either 2 thumbs up, 1 thumb up, 1 thumb down, or 2 thumbs down. 2 up, great. 1 up, good. 1 down, 2 down, you know, like Snickers and roll, my dogs wouldn't even eat it, right? All right, so what I'm gonna do now is boiling. I'm just gonna simmer. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna start to cook the spinach a little bit. Just a little tiny bit of olive oil. All right, so now I'm gonna throw in my spinach. And just start to cook this up. Salt and pepper. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. Follow me, guys. We're gonna get the chicken ready. Okay, so I already patted the chicken dry. I'm gonna take it and sort of slit in there, but I'm not gonna go all the way down. Okay, maybe 75% of the way down. And just make a couple of slits in the chicken here. And make sure I got this all seasoned up. So the spinach is done. Nice and, you know, sort of wilted away here. I'm just gonna throw the ricotta cheese in here. And just mix this around a little bit. Just get that nice and mixed up. And then I'll just let it sit for a little bit and cool. So this is like mixed in here. So now I'm just gonna shut the heat off. Okay, got this nice mixture here. You can see that. Okay, so spinach and ricotta cheese with a little bit of salt and pepper, that's it. Okay, check out my sauce here. Okay, it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna take this mixture mixture here. Okay, follow me. Let's go stuff this chicken. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take this, and we're just gonna stuff this in there.
Is the chicken gonna be thick?
The chicken's gonna be thick, but I'm gonna cut it for you. So I don't want to hear you.
I don't like thick.
I know you don't. Don't you worry about it. Okay, I'm gonna throw my asparagus in. Let's get this in now. Alright, so I got my pan for the chicken. Let me see here. Let me take a break. I need a breather. Okay, just a little bit of sauce in the bottom, just to keep it from sticking, moving around a little bit. Good to go. Okay. I'm gonna take these pieces, these big pieces of chicken. Okay. And then we're gonna top it with more of the sauce. That's hot. Okay. Okay, baby, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to try this Berserko chicken Hasselback? This is going in the oven. So 400 for, I mean, these bad boys are probably gonna have to cook for 30 minutes, but if you got normal size stuff, 20, 25 minutes, right? Let me see what the chicken looks like. I got you guys like, oh, you guys are all over my kitchen tonight. Oh, it's sliding on me. Smells good. Fine. Ready to go. Okay, let me cut you a piece here, babe. It's pretty good. Okay, so let's go see what the guinea pig thinks.
Coffee from this morning.
What she
Still
doesn't
has some
drink.
left. And my water.
What a mess she has here.
It's very organized chaos. A lot of stuff going on. You have extra ricotta.
Yeah, but just try it without it, will you? Let's do this. Let's see what the guinea pig thinks of the Berserko chicken Hasselback. Going for 2.
I've been eating the asparagus, very tasty. A little salty, which I like. Get a little piece of chicken with tomato. We're good. Chicken's cooked, which is a plus.
Is it moist?
Very moist. It's good. It's good. I mean, there's nothing that like stands out about it,
Right.
but maybe more ricotta, maybe a little Parmesan cheese on top, a little salt.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get 1.5.
Okay. Yeah, look, I'll take 1.5, right? I mean, look, we took a recipe for chicken Hasselback and we made it our own, right? And that's what I like to do, right? I mean, if I find something that I like and I've been cooking for a long time, I always like change it up, right? I always sort of mix it up and say, let me try this or let me try that. And so, oh, my dog, I'm stepping on my dog.
Real life. It's real life.
This is real life. So, guys, that is it. That is our show for the evening. Cooking with the Skinny Guinea. Finish it fast. Even in the kitchen. See you guys tomorrow night. Be safe. Have a good one. Take care.